So, mm, before I start, I just wanted to know about the group of the junior professionals, UNVs. Are they from Pakistan and from other countries also? How many are there?
Sir, we have here national and international UNVs. So
Okay,
here, who are present, everyone is Pakistanis except me. And
it's okay.
here we have Lok. Here, I see Lok, who is from Brazil. He's also an international UNV.
Okay,
Otherwise,
okay,
everyone's from Pakistan national UNV.
okay. I mean, it's good that if it is diverse because uh, we are we are going to have a workplace where where diversity, equity, and inclusion, this is a common buzzword, and the workplaces have to be redesigned and facilitated where the diversity, equity, inclusion, belonging, so that is acceptable and that is being implemented in that trend spirit by the managers, by the organizations. So before I start you know showing the slides or talking something, when I spoke, we had a communication the other day. So um, we have a tradition in our family that we all get together over the dinner and then we discuss some topics. So when you communicated with me and you said that we should give some kind of career guidance to the young professionals, to the UNVs who are in the start of their career. So then I started talking to my children. My daughter is elder daughter. She is 22 years old. She has done her graduation in international business from Malaysian University. She is married. My son is going to complete his graduation next year in computer science from a Malaysian university, and my daughter will start her university next year. So she is in O level. Uh, I started talking to them. I told them, okay, what problems you people are facing? What is the problem of today's youth? Where is the confusion? Any issue, any problem, any challenges which you guys are facing? So they all talking. They started talking, and I got a very good perspective from them. And my son particularly said that I am in computer science and I am focusing on Python and C++ and so many languages. I don't know where to go. So I need some kind of guidance from some expert. Similarly, my elder daughter, she spoke the same thing. Then my wife. So we all discussed and we came to the conclusion that youth of today or at any point in time, they needed a proper guidance so that they could be able to move on with their career without any problem, any challenges. So then the idea came into my mind that I think I should speak about mentoring because this is the most critical need in our life, in our profession. Why it is a critical need? Because uh, when I started my career, I did not have any guidance. So I was switching over from one degree to another. I mean, ridiculously, or I don't know what should I say this. I did three masters and a PhD, and I don't know. Somebody should have guided me. I should have gone for one master. It was good enough for me, and I should have focused more on my career. I did my MA English Literature, and then MBA Finance, and then MS in Human Resource Development, and then a PhD. And then I spent all of my life in corporate world in development organizations in Pakistan, outside as well. So I think when I spoke to my family, my children, so this idea I think stick to my mind that we should talk about the mentoring, and this is important. Uh, the young people, they need advice and guidance initially from their parents, from elder brothers and sisters, because they are at home. But most of the time we take them for granted. Why we take them for granted? Because we feel that, oh, it's all the time over there, over the dining table, in the drawing room, in the sitting area, everywhere. This advice is coming forth from the father, from the mother, and from elders. So that is not taken seriously. uh, when we come into our profession, so again we need some kind of mentoring, uh, coaching and counseling. I remember that when I was in UNDP, we had designed an onboarding program for the local and for the international staff. And in the onboarding program, we had created one slot, very important factor. It was a buddy system where when some employee joins us, we used to connect them with somebody, some senior person, and then they used to, they start talking, they have a coffee together, lunch together, and it is how they started building relationships. And the employees, right from the start, they were getting some kind of mentoring, and it was not difficult to gel into the team and to assimilate into the team and be part of the culture. So today, since the group of the people I'm talking to you today is young, you are at the start of your career, and I understand that you need some kind of mentor at any point in time so that you could be able to uh, carry forward with your journey, with your career without any problem.